surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud, preserving the precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. One of those living systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration of life on our planet. These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich in productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicines, and other elements essential to our lives. In the desert, nature has created a very different, but no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun.
That's just the screen.
The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm.
Mole, is that whack-a-mole?
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Like ladybugs and wasps to control pests.
These carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times.
Why does it go outside? Oh my god.
You'll see something real. 你又話你又嫌人哋係 screen， 跟住你又話啊，真係 screen， 哇，真嘢你睇啦。
It's real?
Yeah, these are real stuff.
Welcome to our living laboratory. where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of
Dragon
Agriculture
fruit.
are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions.
Oh, look at that jackfruit. That's
Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
Mommy, did we go on sand?
Oh, date palm.
Water lily.
It's called miracle fruit.
Monster. Miracle fruit. Vanilla.
Oh, vanilla.
They grow vanilla.
Oh, fluted pumpkin. It looks like a...
I wonder if they use these for the restaurants.
They mix pineapple with guava.
That's in my garden. Two of them. Two of them.
As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Innovations like this one can play an important role in our efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect natural resources.
Shrimp.
Full of research around the world.
Your safety remains seated, keeping all hands, arms, legs and feet inside the boat at all times.
Extremely hot pepper.
What's this?
Sesame.
Passion fruit.
Wait. The ones you use to make cake.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests like aphids and flies, we are significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops using our
Lizards.
nutrient film system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area.
NTT.
Cucumbers.
NFT.
That is.
NFT.
Look, they grow it in those little things, little cups.
So they're not grown, not in the soil.
NFT.
So they don't need as much.
Why is this? What?
So that it fits more.
What is this then?
Yeah, they grow it upward, right? Vertical farming. These are Mickey Mouse. There are Mickey Mouse signs on them.
Tomatoes. They don't have like black tomatoes.
Yeah, they only have red ones.
They have black.
It's not easy for me.
Like cherry tomatoes.
Get the lucky ones. Why is this strawberry?
The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants.
Want to come back to